In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sync OneNote between devices. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
First things first, you'll want to navigate over to the OneNote app. Depending on your device, the application might look slightly different, but the fundamental steps remain the same whether you're on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Make sure you have the app installed. If not, it's readily available for download in your device's app store. Once you've opened OneNote, you should be taken to the main screen. Remember, all your notes and sections will be organized neatly here. The next step is to click on the Info section. This may be located in a menu at the top or bottom of the app, again depending on the device you're using. Clicking this is crucial because it's where we access the options related to syncing your documents. In the Info section, you'll get an overview of your OneNote's current setup, providing some handy information such as which account is in use. After you're in the Info section, your journey continues with selecting View Sync Status. This option might be tucked away in a drop-down menu or clearly displayed depending on your app version. Clicking on View Sync Status lets you see the synchronization details of your notebooks, helping you understand if everything is up to date or if there are any issues that might be causing delays in syncing between your devices. Finally, you'll want to click on the Sync button. This action is the key step to ensuring your notes are updated across all your devices. Once you press this, the app will begin syncing your notebooks. Depending on your internet connection and the amount of data, it may take a few moments. If you're running into any issues, double check your internet connectivity. Also remember that regularly hitting the sync button is a good practice, especially after you've made significant changes to your notes. So there you have it. With these simple steps, your OneNote can sync smoothly between your devices, keeping your thoughts and plans in perfect harmony no matter where you are. Remember, regular syncing ensures you always have access to the most up-to-date version of your notes. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to keep these steps in mind for a seamless OneNote experience. Happy syncing!